So guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So guys, this is a different video to all the videos I do. You guys have been asking me, how do I lose weight? How do I stay in shape as a mukbang YouTuber? as a demolition champion, how do I stay in weight? And like, this is the most comment I get recently, and most of you has been telling me to do a video explaining what I do in order to lose weight. Just sitting down talking to you guys on what I do to lose weight, I can show you what I do to lose weight. Guys, there is no easy way of losing weight. There is no easy way of achieving something. It's not only losing weight, there is no easy way of getting from point B to point C. If you want to achieve something, you have to probably put in the work to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So I'm going to be showing you my exercise routine. Like today, I just made a space. I moved on my couch a bit forward, yeah, and I made a long space, which is this is my running space. This is it now. This is my exercise space. But sometimes I do go out to the park a day that their daddy is around. With the homeschooling now, I can't afford to be going to the park. I need to stay indoor when they're in the room doing their work. If they need any help, they can call me and I'll run over and assist with the help while I'm still doing my exercise. But yeah, we're going to get on with it. I love running. Walking, running is my cup of tea. Like, because when you run and walk, you're not only burning one part of your body, you're burning every part of your body. So the exercise is for everywhere. It's not that I don't do other exercise like sit up and all that. I do. At the end of the exercise, I can do 10 minutes or 15 minutes worth of, sit up and all that. Mainly exercise that I do is my running. So I have my belt. I'm going to put my belt on, guys. This is my belt. I'm going to put it on me. Like I was saying, if you really want to keep in shape, don't let anybody tell you that, oh, you want to keep in shape, you don't have to do exercise. Yeah, you can drink whatever. You can be drinking something that you want. I drink apple cider and water. Yeah, you can be drinking that, but you still have to schedule in exercise. Like, this has to be done. I take 2 days off a week from exercise, but at least 5 days a week. If you're not that exercise friendly, at least 3 days a week you need to put in the work. Okay, so I'm going to put my earphone on because this helps me to zoom out and be in that spirit of mind. Okay, and I am going to show you guys at the moment this is 99. I am hoping to get this at least 7,000 or 8,000, and this take me at least 1 hour and a half depending on my pace. That is whenever I'm doing running, that is what I run for. So yeah, let's get on with it now. I kind of warm up my leg, and this is now telling my leg that I am ready to do the job. Okay, so I put some music on. So guys, we are done for today. Like I said, there is no easy way of losing weight. If you want to stay in shape, or if you want to lose weight, you have to put in the exercise at least 3 times a week, 4 times a week, 5 times a week if you're crazy. Some people do every day. But yes, find a way to put in the work. Find a schedule that works for you. For me, I can be running here forever and it won't bother me, or I can walk forever, it will not bother me. I absolutely love doing those things. So find something that absolutely works for you. I used to diet before, but what I noticed with dieting is that immediately you stop whatever you're dieting about, all the weight that you have lost just come back. So it doesn't really make sense. Like, exercise is the best way to keep in shape and lose weight. And for somebody like me who likes to eat, I will make it my priority to exercise all the time, because I know I like to eat. Like, I can't deny that I love my food, but that is not a crime. You can still eat your food and do your exercise and still maintain your lovely shape. Yes, you can still do all those things and still maintain your shape. So this is what we did today. Let me see if I can focus. Okay, you can see that. You can see we started with $9.99. If you remember what we started, we're ending with 8,349. And look at the time we did it on, 70 minutes, I think. And you can also see the calories that we have burned and kilometers that we have did. So yeah, we totally did, like, we smashed it. We nailed it like champion this morning. I must say today was a bit fast. I pick up I was on a good speed, but before I started my exercise, I have logged in their school site. I have prepared what they're gonna do so they can focus on doing it while I also mind my business on what I'm doing. And yeah, so that is what we did today. Like, guys, I keep saying it, there is no easy way of achieving anything. If you have to achieve something, you really have to put in the work for it. So don't, because people do ask you, oh, how do you lose weight, hoping there is a magic solution. There is no magic solution at all. Just put in the work and do the work. Honestly, put in the work and do the work, and you will see your result and you will maintain your shape. I don't really wear the belt all day. I just use it for my exercise, and after my exercise I took it out. Like, I'm sweating like it. So guys, this is all I have for today's video. If you like it, please do not forget to give a thumbs up. I hope I answered most of your question, because I didn't see the reason of doing a sit down conversation video where I can possibly show you what I do on my normal exercise day. And this is since Corona started, to be honest. Since Corona started, this is my exercising space. Since Corona started, I have started going out, gradually going to the park, going for a walk, going for a run in the park. I don't have big house, so just make a space in your house that is space enough for you to do your business, and that is it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Thank you.